Wayne, what are we fitting on your bike today?
Mate, today we've got the GP headlight protectors. These are Turkish made, reasonably good quality. We're looking for something to protect our headlights from rocks and that sort of thing. So we thought we'd give these a try. So basically, fairly simple mounting. I've got the Bratson screen risers on my bike. Again, great product. This unit mounts off the two lower bracket mounting points, and also on the lower bracket which goes underneath the headlights, which supports the crash bar frame, the factory crash bar frame. Okay, so there's nothing too difficult about fitting this unit. Just thought while we got all the gear off, we'd do it at the same time. And yeah, let's get into it. Righto. So I've already taken off the two lower bolts. Reasonably simple to get to because of the factory bars are already off. Okay, two there, 6mm, and we're just going to take out the two bolts here on the lower mounting bracket for my Bratson bar. Now the thing you need to be careful of here is there are encapsulated nuts in behind here. If they happen to fall through, they drop into this little cavity of the headlight, and it's a pain in the neck. So we're just very careful about pulling those out and not pushing those inserted nuts through. There's also a couple of washers which are part of the installation of my Bratson screen riser. I'll just remove that. Okay, a little there.
Let's see if we can get a shot in there, Wayne.
Up, it goes in there. We're going to just spread those little support arms just slightly, just so they can get those holes to line up. It's sheet metal, it's reasonably easy to do. Alright, it should be somewhere in the paddock there. I get. Alright. Okay, so we've just placed the screw through with the spacer washer. That's the unit on there. I can get it on. Like so. Right. Now I'm just going to lift it up. The screen riser's dropped a bit. Let's get it started. Okay, so that one there started. The other one. I'll put the spacer in, screw in there, and just locate it into
What are you doing now, Wayne?
So we're just going to put the support bar for the crash bar underneath, which I've mounted the headlight protector. Putting a little bit of a low grade Loctite on each of the screws. Given that they're hanging down, they're probably susceptible to a bit of vibration. A bit of overkill there. It's just a 222 low grade. So the bracket's already underneath there, if you can see. Lines up well. Nice and challenge. Alright. Second one up there. Okay. A little bit of gentle persuasion. Okay, that's the second one. So again, sheet metal. just they'll flex a little bit. Once you've got them lined up, it's just a matter of tightening them up.
What do you think about the look of that, Wayne?
Yeah, look, I think it should be good. It should provide a bit of protection for when my old mate Dino is in front of me spitting a few rocks up.
I wouldn't dream of doing that, Wayne.
I don't know about that.
Looks neat. Reasonably solid Perspex. I'm going to take some sort of rock to break that. Mount fits in neat. What's the advantage of this over the mesh type ones, Wayne?
I reckon they look better.
Okay. You won't get any of those little stones getting through the gaps in the mesh ones either, will you?
No, look, I think they just look, and they look a bit smarter. I just like the look of them. End of the day, if it stops one rock from smashing the headlight, it's going to save a few bucks. I think these cost us, what, under $100?
Yep.
Wasn't it, Dino?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, they were under $100 on Alibaba.
Yep. And
communication from the seller was quite good. He posted it straight away. Did take about a month to get here, but other than that, it's pretty good service.
Yep. Yep, and they're as described, so you can't ask for any more than that.
No, they look great. Well done, GP. Good product. Happy with it.